Okay, folks, I'm out in the shed today and we're going to try a new tool. About the only thing I use one of these for is for sharpening chainsaws. Okay, so I already hit a couple of them to see how it goes, and it went real well. Turn on. I'm running about, I don't know, I got 3 lights up. Okay, anyway, so let's just do that. Go ahead and try it out and see how it works yourself. Okay. This is a diamond cutter. So you know, the lesson on sharpening chainsaws, you don't need a fixture, you just need a steady hand. Okay? So I can see right now it's doing a really good job. Everything I've sharpened is nice and sharp, and it makes it really easy. I don't have to mess around with extension cords. That means I can be out there where I'm working, and if it gets dull, pull this out of my back pocket and sharpen it up. So anyway, it's working really good, and I'll finish this up later and not bore you. Very good job. Okay, 100% in my book. So we'll talk to you later.